Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll tell you how to add a table in the map. So let's start. First of all, open your map, then go to theme. Click on start editing. Now editing has been started. Go to the open theme table. Here we can see the table has been created. We will add columns to it and then add the data. So click on edit, then click on add field. Here we will have to write the name of column. Suppose the first column will be district name. See, it is asking for the type of data. So district name should be string because it contains the alphabets. Now its width is 16. It's enough for the name of districts. Click on OK. Now one more column we will add, that is for the population data. Again click on add field, then write the name of column, population. It's a numeric data, so it will be number here. Now its width is 16 and since it doesn't contain any type of decimal places, so it will be 0. Now click on OK. See, the columns has been added. Now we will add the data to it. So we have to select one by one each cell. So for this selection, we have to select this edit. Then click on the cell. So before adding data, we have to activate the add record option. So we have to go to edit, then click on add record. See, one more row is added here. We will delete it by selecting this select key, then click on the row here. See, it is highlighted. It means it has been selected. Now go to edit and click on delete record. See, it has been deleted. Now we will add the data. Again click on edit and click on the cell. Suppose we have to add the data here, so we have to see which district we want to name, which polygon is here. So we will minimize this table. Click on this icon and click on the move option. See, it is movable now. We will move it down. Now one by one we will select the polygons. For the selection of polygons, we will select this select feature, then click on the polygon. See, the polygon is highlighted here. This district is West Garo Hills. So we will add the name of this district. This district is West Garo Hills. Similarly, we will select the next district. So for the selection, again we will have to click next polygon. Now we will add the data. This is the South Garo Hills. Now in this we will have to again select the Similarly, we will select each polygon and write the name of districts. The district name has been added here. Now we will add the population. See, the data has been added. Now we will close it, then click on theme and stop editing. See, the table has been added here. So in this way we can add table in the map. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.